Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to discuss the questions based on the kinematic chain. So basically the relations L is equal to 2 by 3 J plus 2 apply to the kinematic chain in which lower pairs are used. What is going to be used? Lower pair are used. Okay. This may be used to kinematic chains in which higher pairs are used, but each higher pairs may be taken as equivalent to. It is asking that if there is a chain, if there is a kinematic chain, what he is saying that I'm going to explain that if there is a kinematic chain and there are lower pairs which have used, but if I want to replace lower pairs with the higher pairs, what should be the value of higher pair? One higher pair as equivalent to the lower pair. So you just remember that one higher pair is equal to two lower pair. Okay, and one additional link. If I'm talking about the links, so there will be the one additional link, one additional link. So this value, you must remember that one higher pair is equal to two lower pair. Higher pair means there is a point or line contact, lower pair means there is a surface or area contact. So basically for this question, option B would be the correct answer because it is asking about the higher pair, and we know that one higher pair is equal to two lower pair and there is a one additional link.